Hey there, welcome back to Latest Trends of Education. Today, we're diving into some effective teaching strategies that put students at the center of the learning process. These methods not only engage students but also empower them to take control of their education. So, if you're a teacher or a student looking for ways to make learning more exciting, this video is for you. Now, interactive lecturing. First up, we have interactive lecturing. This teaching strategy places students in the center of the discussion. It involves sharing thoughts, demonstrations, or even role-playing. Impacts of interactive learning. The impacts are impressive. It encourages students to actively collaborate with their peers, takes their responsibility for their own learning, enhances retention of information, promotes critical thinking skills, and helps students assess their progress. Group work. Next, we have group work. This strategy encourages students to work together as a team to achieve a common goal, fostering collaboration and accountability. Impacts of group work. The benefits are vast. It helps students use their prior knowledge, develop leadership skills, expose them to diverse viewpoints, enhance critical thinking, and make them responsible and accountable for their work within the group. Discussion forums. Discussion forums are another great approach. It involves group discussions to share ideas and make decisions collaboratively. Impacts of discussion forums. This method improves critical thinking and communication skills, enhances idea generation from prior knowledge, promotes cooperation and collaboration with peers, encourages respect for others' opinions, and instills accountability in decision-making. Role-playing. Now, let's talk about role-playing. This strategy actively engages students in making demonstrations and acting out specific roles, which can be both fun and educational. Impacts of role-playing. The impacts are numerous, including the development of communication skills, fostering friendship within the group, boosting self-esteem and confidence, applying acquired knowledge and skills through acting, enhancing retention of knowledge, and stimulating creativity and innovation. Hands-on projects. Last but not least, we have hands-on projects. This method requires students to create concrete outputs, such as diagrams or models, and it's often referred to as learning by doing. Impacts of hands-on projects. The benefits are remarkable. It motivates students to become creative and innovative, helps them develop originality, improves resourcefulness, fosters a sense of responsibility, and enhances retention of knowledge and skills. Conclusion. In conclusion, these student-centered learning strategies empower students to take control of their education, foster essential skills like critical thinking and collaboration, and make learning a more engaging and enjoyable experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow educators or classmates. And of course, subscribe to Latest Trends of Education for more educational content. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.